Ordering samples isn't just a formality. It's the difference between launching a premium product and getting stuck with junk inventory. In this episode, I will teach you exactly how to request samples, what to inspect, and how to compare suppliers before you spend real money. Welcome to episode 6 of the Amazon FBA Mastery series. By now, you have shortlisted your potential suppliers. The next step is crucial. Testing product samples to make sure your final product meets your standards and your customers' expectations. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Request samples professionally. Contact your top 3 to 5 suppliers and send a sample message like, I would like to order a sample of product name with the same material and quality used for bulk orders. Please confirm sample cost and shipping to your country. Expect to pay between $30 to $80 including shipping. Some suppliers will refund the sample cost if you placed a bulk order. Step 2. Confirm shipping method. Most suppliers will ship via DHL, FedEx, UPS, EMS. Air shipping is standard and takes about 5 to 10 days. Ask for a tracking number once it's shipped. Step 3. What to check when samples arrive. When your samples arrive, inspect for 1. Material quality. Is it durable? Does it match with listing photos? 2. Finishing. Any dents, scratches, stitching errors, or rough edges? 3. Functionality. Does it work as expected? Test it multiple times. 4. Size and weight. Match these to Amazon's FBA fee. Shipping cost depends on it. 5. Packaging. Is it basic, retail ready, or customizable? 6. Smell, safety, compliance. Especially for products that go on skin, in homes, or with gifts. Record notes and even take pictures so you can compare later. Step 4. Compare suppliers. After all samples arrive, compare each supplier based on quality, finishing, responsiveness, willingness to customize, price flexibility, packaging options. Don't rush. This step protects your investment. Step 5. Negotiate after sample approval. If you like a sample, don't place the order immediately. In the next episode, I will show you how to negotiate pricing, packaging, and production timeline before committing. Step 6. Reject or approve. If a supplier sends a sample that's low quality or inconsistent, don't force it. Move to the next one. There are thousands of factories and you only need one good fit. Once you have received and compared your samples, you are ready to move into the negotiation and ordering phase. In episode 7, I will show you how to negotiate pricing and MOQ, finalize product customizations, confirm packaging, place your first bulk order safely. If this episode helped you understand how to handle samples the right way, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next steps. Thank you for watching.